Set up ClickUp for project management like a pro. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up ClickUp for project management like a pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by creating a new workspace in ClickUp and name it based on your business or team. This is where all your projects will live. Inside the workspace, create a space for each department or major area, like marketing, development, or client work. This helps you stay organized at the top level. Now, within each space, create folders to group related projects. For example, under Marketing, you could have folders like Campaigns or Content Calendar. Inside each folder, create individual lists for specific projects or workflows. You can then add tasks with due dates, assignees, and priorities to break the work down clearly. Use custom statuses to match your team's workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This helps track progress at a glance. Don't forget to add views like Board for a Kanban-style layout, Calendar for timelines, or Gantt for tracking project dependencies. Finally, invite your team, assign tasks, and set permissions to keep everything secure and collaborative. And that's how you set up ClickUp for project management like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.